Step 4, create and continue a repeating pattern. So I've got a pattern here, and I'm going to try to continue this pattern. And to do that, I have to work out what unit's being repeated. And I can sort of see that it goes a circle and a rectangle, a circle and a rectangle, circle and rectangle. But the colours aren't the same. It goes yellow, red rectangle, green circle, yellow rectangle. So it's not as easy a repeating pattern. It's just yellow, red. So I need to work out what's been repeated so I can continue this pattern. So I'm going to do it in a little bit of an easier step. I'm going to think about the colour pattern. No, I'm going to think about the shape pattern first, because that seems quite easy. Because it goes circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle, circle, rectangle. I can work out that the next shape should probably be a circle. And then after that it should probably be a rectangle. But now I look at it, the pattern doesn't look quite right because the colours aren't right. So I need to go back to the beginning and think about what is being repeated. So it goes yellow, red, green, yellow, red, green. That one must be yellow. So I'm going to change that to yellow. And then the next must be red, because there's two patterns happening here. Let's try another one. Here I seem to have some arrows, and it seems to be repeating. And when I look at it, I can see that there's two different things happening, two different variables that are changing. One variable that's changing is the colour. Another variable that is changing seems to be the way the arrows are going. So I'm going to start with the shape one at first because it seems to be easier. It goes pointing to the right, pointing up. To the right, up. I think the next one's going to be to the right, so I'm going to put that there. And then it's going to go to the right again. The next arrow probably is going to go up. So I'll duplicate those. Now I'll continue that pattern. Let's check the repeating pattern. To the right, right, up, side, side, up, side, side, up. But it doesn't look right. I don't think I've got the colour pattern right. So now I'm going to go back to the beginning and check the colour pattern. Red, orange, red, orange, red, orange, red. That one there should be orange. So I'm going to change the colour. Then that one should be red, because there's two different patterns that are working out, and I had to think to myself, what is the shape pattern that's changing, what is the colour pattern together, so I can continue. So that is how I created, well, how I continued a repeating pattern. I could now go away and have a try at making my own pattern by thinking about those two different steps. One is thinking about a shape pattern and one is thinking about a colour. Thank you.